How to bookmark in Google Docs. A bookmark in Google Docs is just like a bookmark that you would use to mark your place in a novel. You use bookmarks to mark a location in a document so that you can quickly find and jump back to it. You can also use bookmarks to link within a document to a specific section or a page. Bookmarks aren't available in Google Sheets or Slides, only in Google Doc. So now I'm going to show you how to bookmark in Google Docs. So let's say that there's a thing in chapter 2 that relates in subchapter 2 from the first chapter. So let's say you have to bookmark this random sentence and link the location of the sentence here. So what you want to do is select the sentence, go to Insert, Bookmark. Go back to the place where you want to link the sentence. Select the words that you want to link. Go on Insert, Link, Headings and Bookmarks. And right here, as you can see in the bookmarks, the sentence that we selected is right there. So what you want to do is select that, and if you click this, it will automatically bring you to this sentence that we bookmarked. As you can see, it automatically brought us here. And that's how you bookmark in Google Docs.